In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a CapCut video to Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Have you ever finished editing a great video project in CapCut only to realize the file is too large to send through email or messaging apps? Sharing large videos directly can often reduce their quality because of compression. Fortunately, you can preserve the original resolution and quality by exporting the video from CapCut and uploading it to Google Drive. First, open your project inside the CapCut application on your device. Once your editing is complete, look at the top right corner of the screen and click Export. Then click Download. For exporting, you can adjust the video settings according to your preference. Choose your desired resolution, such as 1080p, and adjust the frame rate and code rate if needed. You can also enter a custom name for your video, so it's easier to identify later. Once everything looks good, click Export. Wait for the export progress bar to reach 100%. CapCut will save the finished video to your device's gallery or storage folder. Next, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign into your Google Drive account. If you're using a mobile device, you can simply open the Google Drive app instead. Navigate to the folder where you want to store your video. Click the new button in the upper left corner of the screen on desktop, or tap the floating plus icon on mobile. Select File Upload. If you're using the mobile app, choose Upload and then select Photos and Videos. Browse your files or gallery and locate the CapCut video you just exported. Select the video file and click Open or tap Upload on mobile. Google Drive will begin uploading the file. Watch the upload status indicator and wait until you see a confirmation message or a green check mark showing that the upload has completed successfully. Your CapCut video is now safely stored in Google Drive and ready to share with anyone using a link whenever you need it. That's how you upload a CapCut video to Google Drive. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.